Still dialing numbers? Manually, it's time for a change. Introducing Calilio, a powerful and professional dialer, perfect for outbound calling solutions tailored to your business needs. Eliminate manual work and automate your outbound calls with Calilio's Power Dialer. It reads and dials numbers directly from your uploaded list, making your calling process faster, smarter, and more efficient. Why use Power Dialer? 1. Eliminate time wastage. 2. Automate your calling process. 3. Reduce workload and manual effort. How to use the Power Dialer. Log into your Calilio account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up at Calilio.com. In the left-hand menu, click on Power Dialer. Step 1. Import your contact list. Click on Import CSV from the left menu. To ensure proper formatting, click Download Sample CSV, with or without a country code. Step 2. Set dispositions. Go to the Disposition tab. Create custom dispositions to log call summaries and outcomes. Step 3. Create a campaign. Click on the Campaign tab. Enter a campaign name. Select the imported contact list. Add a description. Choose the phone number from which to make calls. Set the following. Assign by who created the campaign. Assignee who will make the calls, team or specific members. Dispositions, the tags you just created. Preview duration, time given to agents before the call connects. Post-call duration, buffer time after the call ends. Click Save to create the campaign. Step 4. Start calling asterisk. Select your created campaign. Then start call. Step 5. Monitor calls and view reports. Go to Active Session to monitor ongoing campaign activity. Start calling effectively. Use Calilio, the modern business phone system.